Hello all, once again welcome back to our channel. Today in this video I am going to show you such a recipe which is very quick in making as well, very stomach filling and very low in calories, which will be very much helpful in your weight loss and night dinner supplementary kind of food. So that is nothing but one of the soup categories, that is mixed vegetable soup, mixed vegetables corn soup. So it is very easy process. Before we get into the video, please don't forget to subscribe the channel as well. Press the bell button for on your notifications. So initially we'll just have a look of all the vegetables whatever I am taking. Cabbage, a piece of cabbage, half carrot, some 4 to 5 beans, and then a small piece of cauliflower and sweet corn. Little portion of sweet corn I have taken here, and then chopped coriander leaves, and then for the spices like pepper powder and salt to the taste. And then we will be using, as it is a corn soup, we'll be using corn flour of 2 tablespoons corn flour, and then little ghee or olive oil or normal oil, whatever oil you use, just to fry. So initially we will be cleaning all these veggies. So you can see little more veggies only I have taken because I am planning this to serve of 2 people. And cabbage you can't clean after the grating, so we will be just washing it and grating it. Then carrot we will be peeling off and cutting. Remaining all we will be cutting, chopping into small slices, except this cabbage. Cabbage we have to grate it finely so that it will not what we can say, it will not dominate other chopped vegetables in the size. So like this. And then beans very lean and small chopping I am doing. So you can see here as well. The carrot initially you have to peel off the skin, then wash it properly, then initially make it into thin slices, long slices, then go ahead chopping it into small pieces. So these all small pieces will give you very good taste and crunchiness when you are having the soup. That's why all the vegetables we should cut into as much as small you can. So I'm taking little more vegetables because as I told you, this all will be replacing my today's dinner. So that's why I'm adding little more vegetable quantity. So if it is like a starter soup for you, a little small cup of starter soup, then you can go ahead adding little vegetables only. So I like the same way I have cut the cauliflower also and took out the corn flour seeds. Now moving ahead, we will be making the soup. I have kept a thick kadai, and then I added some 2 tablespoons of ghee here. As I mentioned, you can even go ahead with the olive oil also. That is the best option for the people who is looking for a weight loss. And now I am adding all the vegetables which are all I made it ready. So this fry, like 1 to 2 minutes, little fry we will give to all these veggies. Because of this fry, actually the veggies become little crunchy. So when you have the soup, na, that crunchiness will really add a very good taste to your like taste buds. That's why we will have this light roasting of this vegetables. Then I'm adding salt to the taste. So I'm just adding salt to the taste of for only these vegetables. So if you want to more salt, then while serving you can add it. So that's it. It's done. 1 to 2 minutes over. I am just adding the water now. So as I told you, it is a 2 people serve. I am adding 2 big cups of water to these vegetables. Now all that you have to leave this for another 5 minutes just for 1 or 2 boilings. So before that what we will do is we will just mix our corn flour with the water. Just I am making a mix so that when we are adding it directly it will form the lumps. That's why I am just making it into nice mix like this. So here are soup water started boiling. This is the consistency. I'm going to add it's been like 5 minutes. I just added the corn flour powder here. So within no time, like 2 to 3 minutes of time, you can see the soup water will becoming like a thick, semi-thick kind of a soup gravy. So once it is done, you can off the stove. See, slowly it is turning into, it will hardly take 2 minutes, that's all. So you can see more vegetables. Again, I am telling you, as I'm just supplementing this as my dinner. That's why I used more vegetable. And however, it is very good when you are using more vegetables. You will, I mean, it will be stomach filling to you actually. So it's done. One boiling is done. I am just going on cut off the flame, and I have added the chopped coriander leaves. Now our corn soup is ready to serve. I am just shifting it into the serving bowl. Now you can add salt and pepper to your taste. That's it. So easy and so quick recipe. And though it's like stomach filling, low in calories, very good for weight loss. So what not? List is ever ending. So please give it a trial. I hope you all like this video and don't forget to share to your families and friends. We also have videos in other languages like Telugu and Malayalam also. So in the regional languages. Hope you all like this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell button. Thank you so much for watching.